Today, we're going to show you how to install the new Oracle Dynamic Signature lights on a Polaris RZR. This is our dynamic LEDs, which feature a ton of different options. This is a surface mount installation, so the product's actually going to install on the outside of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. All right, so let's go ahead and start by seeing what's in the box. First, we have our two daytime running lights. Those plug into our easy wiring hub, which connects to this LED voltage regulator. The LED voltage regulator connects directly to the battery, and then our wireless Bluetooth controller connects in so you can control everything from your smartphone. All right, so that's everything that's in the kit. Let's go ahead and show you how it's done. Now we're gonna install the dynamic daytime running lights. These are gonna install in place of these lights that are here that already exist. If your RZR looks a little bit different, if it has these little inserts that basically take the place of these daytime running lights, that's okay. The installation is gonna be the exact same. First step's gonna be to remove the grill. No tools necessary for that. And clean the surface. Make sure that this doesn't have any kind of wax or other contaminants on it. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and clean the other side at the same time. Now we've got our adhesion promoter. We're gonna go ahead and swab the front lenses with the adhesion promoter. This is gonna make that tape way more tacky and make it bite into the plastic. We're gonna go ahead and remove the backing off the tape here. And we're gonna align this with the factory light. Now we'll repeat the process on the other side. Let's go ahead and tackle the wiring now. All right. We already have some lights installed here, so you see we have a matching voltage regulator there already. So we're gonna put this just to the side of that one, and then we're gonna connect our positive and negative cables to the hub right here. Now that we've got our voltage regulator mounted, we just need to connect our positive and negative wires. If you already have a switch panel where all your lighting's going, of course this can go there, but in this case we're just gonna go to our two positive and negative lugs here. So with our positive and negative cables now connected to the positive and negative lugs here, we're gonna go ahead and take our LED driver and plug it in to the cable coming off our voltage regulator here. Plug that in, and then the cables coming out of this side, we're gonna plug in to the DRL lights, like so. Now we take our Bluetooth LED controller, we're gonna plug this into the LED driver, like so. And then lastly, we have our turn signal and DRL wires. So we already have our LED turn signal kit installed on this RZR. For more information about the turn signal kit, go ahead and check out some of our other videos or check out the description for more information. We're gonna connect those to the turn signal wires, and then for the DRL, we're gonna go ahead and connect that to the original DRL wire. And then lastly, we have our DRL wire here. So this is gonna connect to the original wire that was going to the signature light to create that white look when driving. We're gonna go ahead and connect the daytime running light white lead to the factory connector, the red wire on the factory plug. All right, and then we'll just go ahead and clean up any loose wiring, making sure that nothing's gonna end up in the fan, and go ahead and take any kind of slack out and bundle these up. And of course you can mount this. We already have a lot going on in here, so we don't have too much more space, but we can go ahead and bundle everything up so all the wiring's nice and tight. Before we put the grill back on, we'll go ahead and disconnect the original daytime running lights and get the connectors out of the way. Then we go ahead and put the grill back in place. Now that we got everything wired up, all we have to do is take out our smartphone, download the app, open it, and turn the lights on. We've got static colors pre-programmed on here, warm white and cool white. And of course, through the color wheel, you can dial in pretty much any color you want as a single color. We also have over 200 pre-programmed functions in here to create all sorts of different moving color patterns. Once you find a pattern you like, you can adjust the speed and the brightness of each one individually. All right, if you experience any kind of trouble connecting to the app or controlling the lights, be sure to go to settings and then make sure you're set to GRB SK6812-RGBW. Total pixel count should be set at 400. And as you can see, our turn signals feature our new motion flow LED technology. And lastly, this feature-packed product features our new dynamic startup sequence. So for more information or find out more about this product, be sure to visit www.oraclelights.com.